Hi everyone. Today we discuss some keywords in Python. So continue, break, pass. So using these keywords we do some practical programs. So how to do, what is the use of those things? For suppose here I take one program for print 1 to 10 numbers without 5. So for suppose for I in range. So for I means is a variable of the for loop. Okay. In I use range function 1 comma 11, then print I. So then what is the result of this program? Is print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, why? Because here range function return group of values. What are the values? This is the source font, this is the destination value. Source is a starting value, so from starting value onwards is print destination. Before destination value it will print. So the range function return group of values. Those values are 1 to 10 numbers. Each and every value stored into I variable. Then for loop is executed the block of code. So then second value is stored into I value. Then the for loop is executed the block of code. Like that the for loop is executed. So within the for loop I used if condition. If I double equal to 5, that is a condition. If the condition is true, then I use continue keyword. So what is the use of this continue keyword? Continue is a keyword. It is a continue the loop. Okay, so when I will become 5 value on the time the condition is true. So in that situation I am using here continue is a keyword. The keyword is, what is it will do? It is go to for loop, means the go to range function. The range function return sixth element. Okay, after 5 value it's a return sixth value. Sixth value is stored into I. Then it is a condition is false, then print 6. 7 is print, 8 also print, 9 also print, 10 also printed. So when I value is 5 on the time the condition is true, then continue keyword is executed. So continue keyword is continue the loop. Okay, it will move to top. Okay, continue for loop, not go to next statement. Okay, same as here I'm using break. Yeah, so you see the output here. So without 5 I print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, so in this place I use break keyword. So break means is a break the loop, for loop only. Okay, so it's break the for loop execution. That's the reason when I value is 5 means is print 1 to 4 values. Okay, then when I value is become 5 on the situation, here I value I equal to 5, the condition is true, then it's a break the loop. Okay, for loop only. Okay, that's the reason its output is 1 to 4. Okay, so that is a break the loop. So remember one point is here, continue and break keywords are used in for loop only. It is a continue keyword is a continue the loop, either for loop or while loop also we can use. So the loop purpose they given. Okay, continue and break. Continue is a continue the loop, break is the break the loop, either for loop or while loop. Okay, next what about pass? Pass is a keyword, it is a pass to next statement. So now what is the result in this program? It is print 1 to 10 numbers, because when I equal to 5 also it is passed to next statement. Okay, generally where we are using pass keyword, it is pass keyword is defined within the empty blocks. Like for suppose class is a class test, we can define pass. So if we are not pass keyword, then automatically it will show indentation error. Okay, even here, here also I'm not given here, then it's printed some indentation block. Okay, so this is a indentation block, we are not define anything. But when I define pass keyword, then it's automatically it's pass the next statement, there is no error. Okay, even uh, empty classes, like empty method also we can define. This is an empty function. Okay, empty method also we can define, empty function also we can define. Okay, what is a method, what is a function? Within the class if you define, then that is called method. Okay, out of the class is a separate, this is a separate, this is called function. If you define, this is a define in within the method, within the class, so it is called method. Okay, so method have some rules also there. So this is not a point here. So here is continue, break, pass. Okay, continue is a continue the keyword, break is a break the loop. Okay, pass is a pass to the next statement. Generally pass is a keyword, it is defined within the empty blocks only. Okay, yes, thank you.